Hey y'all, this is Grant with Livewire. Today we're going to be talking about the Leon Sound Sconce. This thing is chef's kiss, so let's dig in. So, let's see what's in box number one. Beautiful manual. Got some hardware, so this is what goes on the wall. So the grill comes off, great. You got your tweeter and you got your sub. This is where you plug in the AC power for your line voltage, and then you get your speaker terminals here. So it then runs to an amplifier, runs to AV receiver. It is IP67 rated so that it is suitable for outdoor. This brings your sound and light together in one compact and sleek package. It produces a very soft, warm light. It's also dimmable so that you can have it for mood lighting, you can have it brighter if you want it to. It also is compatible with all your automation systems. Pretty much any automation system that you have. It's great for high-end rental spaces. It's great for coffee shops. I mean, really anywhere that you need to elevate your light and sound together. You can even put in your doghouse. The first thing I noticed when picking this up is it's built to last. It has a very sturdy cast aluminum body. It also comes in 3 different colors: linen, black sand, and clay. What I do want to show you as well is that, take a look at this. This is where the light is. See the little LED strip? So that is what is going to bring your luminance to your room. Thanks for coming. This is Grant with Livewire. Thanks for watching.